Yeah, you know what it looks like? Going to hang out with family in a resort, which is outside your home. That's what it looks like right now. And behind the camera is Tariq Collins. Let's go.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with Bro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and the day smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go.
Such an amazing place. You guys can see. Life is amazing.
Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and the day smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. Bro Baba FS robot stole the world.
Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop for you. Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop for you. He shop. Bro Baba FX shop for you. He shop. Bro Baba FX shop for you.
Hi guys. Yeah, we arrived. That's my younger brother. This is my younger sister. Let me say hi to the camera.
Hi, hello. Hello.
Yeah, mommy, come now. Here's my lovely mom. Mom, say hi to the camera now. Yeah, here we arrived at the resort. Yeah, it's an amazing moment. Here's my younger brother. He's on the call. That's just it.
Stevland, today you must say something to the camera.
Yo, G, this is an amazing guy. You guys know this guy, Ego. Ego. His name is Money. One of my coolest friends, dude. Hi, guys. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, everybody. This is what it looks like waking up in a resort. As you all know, I'm a lover of nature. This is actually an unknown resort. I won't mention. Let's go. I want to take you on a trip.
I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with Bro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and the day smarter. This now something you go buy.
Life is beautiful.
They go
Life
your
is
work, robot they do
amazing.
in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase.
Just imagine waking up to this in the morning and trying to feed your eyes with nature. You see the birds flying around. Is nature not amazing? Oh. I love what I see. Hi guys, as you all know, this is a day-to-day lifestyle for me. I can't do without the gym. Yeah, wherever I find myself, I try to get the gym or something I could just work out with. But I think I just have a few things here I could work out with. I make do with it.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with Bro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and the day smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. Bro Baba FS go cost to the world.
That's 20. It could be like 5 sets. But sometimes my training is intense. I do various programs. 10, sometimes 20. Okay, let's go with the dumbbell. Alright, let's go. 10.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense.
Another 10.
I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with Bro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no
Another
salary
10.
worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I
Okay.
be starter. The The robot go trade for you and
Let's try something else.
something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your money go they increase and it no go stop. Pro Baba FS robots to the world.
Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop for you. Forex money, making money. There's somebody, he's shop for you. He's shop. Bro Baba FX shop for you. He's shop. Bro Baba FX shop for you.
Okay.
I go double my odds, so money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade, take with Pro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no way to mountain. You may not be for salary worker, which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and it gets smarter. This now something you go buy and you go smile after. They go your work, robot they do in job. Money go full grand, like say you rob. Your
I'm not too crazy about 6 packs, but I'll like it. If it comes, fine. But we'll try to work it out. Okay.
I go double my odds, so money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with Pro Baba FS. Everyday profit, no way to mountain. So you may not be for salary worker, which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. The robot go trade for you and it gets smarter.